And this is second video for this drill, because on the first video I have disassembled it and found the transmitter, burned it out, replaced it, and the motor, the switch and drill itself works, but I cannot get the clutch working on our gear axis, so I need to disassemble it and check what was done with it. And I see that the screw looks almost new here. Okay, I think I will need to remove the chuck for this one. So when removing the chuck, first of all we need to unscrew the screw here inside the drill chuck, and it's a counterclockwise screw. It's not always easy to unscrew it. Sometimes I'm trying to move it to the one direction, to the other one, and then it's going out. Yep. We have the screw here. If you can see, the thread goes to a different direction than a normal screw. Now we need a way to remove the chuck from the Assy. Just putting the Allen key and tighten it. Okay, maybe the angle is not very good, but it is like it is. And what I will try to do to put the wrench here and spin it with more force, and I will check if it gotten loose or not. Yep. We got it loose. That's good for us. And yeah, what you can see here, we can see the dust, of course, and some ring, some spring ring here. I will just take it out. Oops. Almost got it in my eye. We can check what we have here. Yes, we can see we have the housing, spring here, and this click sound. And okay, now we are tightening or loosening the clutch. We can suspect something assembled may be wrong here. We have the second ring. Now we almost don't have a clutch on this drill. Okay, have a lot of work with this gear axis, and now put the pins, you can see, like here, and yep. Now I hope that this thing will hold the pins. Do not fall. And still one has fallen. Okay, now they are in position, and I will try to show you. You can see the pin is here, one of the pin here. So I will put a holding ring. Ring is in a place, and just double check it. Yeah, it's in a place. The pins is in a place. So now I will try the spring. I will put the ball on the spring here. And sorry, wrong side. I'll try to put the mode changer, and I see that I have the problems with the mode changer. It's not going all the way down, and one of the pins is moving around. I have the grooves here for the pins. I think I must align them. Okay, I got two, and cannot get a second one. Yep. Got them now. Just afraid to release it. What I can do now, I can put the rest of the parts, and I will check if it can fit here. Yep. What I want to do now, I want to see how it's going when I'm spinning it, and it's tightening all the way. Okay, I will screw this one out. I'm afraid to release the mode changer. Now I can check where it will fit, and it will fit here. Okay, if it will fit here, then I can tighten you. And wasn't like for me that now I'm screwing, I can screw it all the way up here. But normally it must stop on one. So it's another small mystery. I will try to put this blade here and to check it with the spring ring, because I don't want to hold it all the time. Okay, now I don't need to hold it, and I can see that it stops on one, and if I can tighten it more, but it stops normally, it stops on 21 and almost on 1. Yep. So what we need to do now, we need to try it. To try it, we need to put the chuck again. I'll just do that in a simple way, just using the drilling mode. Now I can hold it. Okay, we have the clutch back again. Okay, it still goes out of here. And it's on drilling mode, on a clutch. Okay. Now we have the check rocket. So what I'm doing normally in a situation like this, I'm putting just a little bit of the tweed glue. We will try to unscrew it somehow. Okay, I think I will put the glue here and they will get a check, then I will unscrew it and put the screw back in. Okay, and so the problem was, it's a really mysterious, maybe some part on the garage was loosened or something, or someone disassembled it and then assembled it not right. Hard to tell because it was really hard to assemble for me too, so it can be that someone just not assembled it right after deassemble. Okay, so with this one I will not show how I'm gluing the chuck and screwing the screw. You will find it out yourself.